Hi and welcome back to another video on conversion of your units using dimensional analysis. Now for this, we will be trying to solve very familiar volumes that we use in the kitchen or at home. We have the teaspoons and the ounces. These are familiar units of volumes at home. So in this problem, we will be converting 4.00 teaspoons into the unit of ounces. So as always, we need our equivalent statements and transform them into the proper conversion factors and show them in our equation. Alright, so we have here our equivalent statements. We have 1 teaspoon. Now remember, this is the US teaspoon, is approximately equal to 4.928 ml, and 1 ounce is approximately equal to 29.573 ml. So we will be needing these equivalent statements in the conversion factor form and place them in the correct position for the units to cancel out and for us to arrive to the correct answer. So we are starting with the unit teaspoon. So the unit teaspoon should be in the denominator or the first conversion factor, and obviously this will be this equivalent statement, and then we write that down. Alright, we now have written our first conversion factor with the unit teaspoon here in our denominator so that it will be cancelled out as is. Okay, sorry for that. Alright. So we now try to cancel out the unit. There you go. So the unit left is the unit ml, but remember we're looking for the unit in ounces, so we need one more conversion factor here for us to arrive to that answer. Alright, so we now have written our next equivalent statement in the conversion factor form, and as you can see, the unit ml should be in the denominator and the next conversion factor for it to cancel out. So then cancel the unit ml. We are now left with the desired unit in ounces. So we do all the calculations to arrive to our answer, which is 0.6666, and this is a repeating number in the unit ounces. So obviously we need to report only in 3 significant figures as based on our given. So we need to do some rounding off, and this is a pretty simple rounding off because we have just a single number 6 that is being repeated in the whole series. So that's 0.66, and on the next is another 6, but on the next digit is another 6. So we need to add one more, so our final answer will be 0.6667 ounces. Alright, so there you have it. We have able to solve that 4.00 teaspoon is equal to 0.667 ounces. So that's all for this example. Thank you for listening and continue learning.